I'm about to show you guys how to take your boring lipstick and make it fabulous. We're gonna do a ombre lip tutorial. You will need the NYX liner. Today I'm using the shade Nude Beige, and then I'm also using this Smashbox color, and this is called Petal Metal. It's a very fun metallic-y color. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you how to do it. You can even overline a little bit. And then you'll want to fill in the corners, just a little bit. This is what takes us from being 90s and just outlining everything to your more modern ombre lip. So we're applying the gloss just to the center of the lip, and then taking your forefinger, just tapping it out. All right, you ready to go?